Sidhu here. Today I'm going to react to Blue Lock Season 2 episode number 11. It's just dropped and I can't wait to get to it. But before going to the reaction, I would like to recap what happened in the previous episode. The previous episode was basically, as the episode title alluded to, it was a game of substitutions. While we saw many substitutions. Basically, I think so Barrow can be considered as a substitution, even though he joined the team since the second half. Not Barrow, I mean Shido. And that was great. His dynamic and his partnership with Hitoshi Sei, they were such a explosive match. Like they were using each other in such a brilliant way. So it was, the goals they scored was so creative and everything. It was great to see their play, and to counteract that kind of a brutal duo, our team had to make some changes. Basically, we had two injuries. Basically, maybe not injuries, but Chigiri, his leg maybe got a little bit of cramp, so he had to subbed out, and that was a little bit tragic to see, sad to see. Like, he was crying, bawling out in his inability to stay fit throughout the game. And we also lost the hentai protagonist type of guy who can assess the field better, but he got injured while trying to stop Shido from scoring. But yeah, he did a foul and he got a yellow card, but even that could not stop Shido and Hitoshi Sei's partnership. They scored a brilliant goal, and that was wild to see, basically the way they scored it and everything. But yeah, that's where the half of the episode ended, and the second half, basically the new substitution stepped in. The first one was the blue head guy, and I think so his name is Hiyori, who helped Isagi in the selections and everything. So that was great to see how he was affecting the team and how he was changing the team play style and everything. But he could not. Basically, Isagi again lost the ball to the policeman. He could not live up to, or he could not use the opportunity that was given to him, and the opposite team, Hitoshi Sei's team, got the ball. So again, the dynamic duo, maybe not dynamic duo, but the amazing partnership between Hitoshi Sei and Shido got on the duty, and they started coming towards our goal, like Blue Lock's goal. And that's when we saw Rio's superpower, which is basically copying others' super skill, basically. And I should have expected it, but it was surprising to see the way he copied Mr. Policeman's skill in wrapping up the striker and stealing a ball from him. So yeah, that's what Rio did. He stole a ball from freaking Shido, and that's great to see. I don't know how long he can retain the ball, but yeah, he did stop the approaching brutal train of Shido and Hitoshi Sei. So I don't know where the game will head from here, but Rio and Hiyori's gameplay showed us that we still have some chance defending our goal from Hitoshi Sei and Shido. So yeah, we are not only now a strikers team, we have a defensive angle too. Whereas previously, Blue Lock was only attacking. Their defense was weak. But with the entry of Rio, we have a chance. So I think so I recapped the previous episode properly. So without wasting much time, let's get to the episode. Yeah, they were heading hard towards the goal, and that's when Rio stepped in, wrapping up, yeah, like chameleon. Oh no, Python, which is a copy of Policeman, but yeah, beautiful depiction. Yeah, that's chameleon. Good. Now we have a chance. Oh wow, he's going to try to be a striker. Nice, not only a defender. Yeah, that's the egoism that we want. Yeah, our man lost the ball, man. Beautiful. How will Shido and Hitoshi Sei adapt to this? Huh? Oh, come on, don't say that. Don't jinx it. Man, that's the worst thing to do now. Yeah. Yeah, Isagi got many chances, man. Yeah. And he lost all of them to Mr. Policeman. He has to defeat him in some way. Yeah, but who are these guys? I don't remember them. Wow, she's interested in Shido. That's cool. Nice. He's the best middle fielder, right? Wow. Wow, there is more potential in him. There he is again. Wow, the animation kicked in suddenly. Yeah, it's a life sustaining mechanism for him. Machine, goal scoring machine. Nice, wow. They're dialing up, man. The animation, the studio. Every single cell. Wow, okay, Rio is here. Yeah. He has been watching, man. He has been observing everyone. Impersonator. Yeah, wow, okay. If he was an impersonator, he lost to an impersonator. That's a good comeback. Nice. Very well done. Even Shido doesn't doesn't seem to get out of this, huh? Man, he is going to get out of this, and that's what scares me. How are they going to stop him then? Wow. He's getting philosophical suddenly. Hmm. Wow. A strong biological need. Man, Shido is so cool. Wow. Scoring is fertilization. Yeah. As I said, he has an orgasm every time, man. He scores a goal. Well, that is a euphemism for orgasm. Explosion. Hmm. This weirdly turned sexual. Wow. Yeah, even he is a striker, right? Nice, Gigamaru. Well done. Yeah. Cool. Was that a cell? What? They're going overboard in this episode, man. What is up? Did the budget increase suddenly? Man, the music is kicking in. Wow! Goose. Is the sperm and egg? The zone, the flow, yeah. So cool, man. Brilliant. I'm already impressed by the episode. Even Kigamaru is not at the goal. No one can stop him. Brilliant. Brilliant goal in this anime till now. Yeah. Wow. Wow, that's all. My god. And they are in the lead now. I don't know. I don't have any words for this. The whole sequence reminded me of Attack on Titan when Eren goes into the paths. Brilliant. His introduction goal. Brilliant, guys. Brilliant, Shido. Wow. When he makes yeah, creep. He makes it sexual. Horny devil. Yes, Rin saying this. I want to see the Rin's reaction, man. The way Itoshi and Shido is bonding, I like to see. Yeah, Rin wanted this, right? This kind of bonding with his brother. Yeah, man. And Itachi is way behind all of this. Yeah, that feeling, seeing someone achieve which you want to achieve. Come on, show Rin. They're not showing them. Even Rio, the impersonator, can't stop Shido now. What will you do, Itachi? Sorry, Isagi. That was so cool. What will Ego do now? Yeah. Understandable, have a nice day. No, you're not. You're still not awakened. What? Wow, Shido awakened. That's. Even Shido is part of Blue Lock. But Japan has a future now. Huh? What? Nice. Wow. Okay, so there is a future for them. Hmm. But ego will be banished. Stand proud. Sukuna. Yeah, who cares? If it is not the world stage, who cares? That's the ego you should have. He wants to score. Will this? Oh, I thought he was getting awakened by just the words. Hmm. So what's the plan? Wow, he has a plan now. Man, I'm excited. Wow, yeah, I forgot about Borrow. He can change the game. The king of the ground. Oh no, wow. Ninja is getting out then. King. Listen up, donkey. Exactly. Just try to score. Don't follow plans or something like a robot. I think so. That's what Burrow is trying to say. I don't know shit about football and the strategies. I'm just a normie. What was it? Hmm. He thought they would give up. Man, Burrow is Jack when he's standing beside Isagi. Such a cool nickname, King. Such a cool nickname, King. Yeah. Nagi has been silent for a while now. Nice. Of course he is. Seeing his brother getting loved away with some kind of devil. The animation definitely stepped up in this episode. That's for sure. They have to score 2 goals to win now, not 1. Hmm. Wow, they are centering it on Burrow. Hmm. Yeah. Everyone is trying to go score now. Score now. Everyone is trying to score. Yeah, everyone is trying to score now. Everyone have to fend for themselves. Burrow. No, Isagi. Yeah. But I think so Burrow is going to steal it. Yeah. Burrow is cool, man. He's a little version of Shido type of thing. If you know what I'm saying. Isagi hunting. Hmm. He's in a way similar to Shido, man. Yeah. Wow. Why was he underestimating him? Hmm. Wow. Trump card. Nice. Unpredictable. Nice. Man, he has a football tattoo on or a bindi on his forehead. Hmm. Can he? Will he pass? No, I don't think so. He's going to. He's going to score on his own. Yeah. His back heel is a good. His back. His back heel is good, man. His back heel dribble. Beyond comprehension. Their chips are getting fried from Burrow. Oh no. Now Isagi has another guy to think about. Along with Burrow. Oh. What? He missed? Hmm. Exactly. Nice. Others will take it from here. Confusion. Nice. Wow. Smooth animation, man. And then again the lines. But yeah, this is cool. So cool this episode. Hmm. Wow. Nice art. Street soccer style. Wow. Hmm. Oh no. something is going to go wrong. Yeah, but this is nice. I'm already happy the way the things are going on. Will it go? Will it go? Come on, don't give me any twist. Yeah, I thought so. Where was the policeman? I was thinking it in behind of my head. Yeah, yeah. Of course, the side character can't score that easily. Yeah, but Isagi now he has chance. Come on, defending by gambling. Wow. But the ball is in the air still. Come on, act. Yeah, he entered the flow. The second person to enter the flow. He's again from the opposite team. Yeah, exactly. He has to defeat two guys now. Burrow and this flow enabled policeman. Oh no, Isagi. Ah, don't end. Okay, okay. This episode was already enough satisfactory. Well, guys, the episode ended there, and it was a great. Like, might possibly, I have a small memory issue. Like, I don't seem to remember the previous episodes, or it may be the recency bias, but this might be the best episode in this season. Might be. Like, I am trying to recall the other episodes and the great moments in the other episodes. Maybe it will take some time. I will change my mind by the next week. Maybe. But yeah, this was a great episode, guys. The whole montage of the scenes that led up to Shido unlocking the flow and everything. Beautiful, that's all. Like as I said, it reminded me of Attack on Titan sequence where when Eren's, hopefully, spoiler, this is going to be a spoiler, so skip forward 15 seconds, but when Eren's head got cut and he entered into the paths, so it was that kind of quality. So it was great, man. The way the cell started dropping some liquid or something, but it was cool to see. And yeah, this episode satisfied me, man. This episode satisfied me a lot, and the only way I can describe my feeling is I'm happy and I'm satisfied of 1 week for this episode. Everyone did a great job here. Like everyone, like every character that took the screen time did a great job here. Like Shido, Itoshise, and their dynamic again. The brotherly or some lovers kind of horny dynamic between them. That was great to see. Isagi basically being again a overthinking type of guy, like what's happening, why am I not winning, blah blah blah. And then again when Ego said, come on man, you are set for life, take it light, he said I won't take it light and everything. So that was great to see. Burrow stepping in was great to see. Hiyori setting up the place was great to see. Nagi and Burrow's interaction, it was everyone. It was an amazing episode. Sorry if I don't seem to remember the previous episode properly, like the great moments from it. I think so. This is a recency bias, but for now, in this moment, it was a peak episode, peak log. That's what I'm going to call. Even the animation was a step up. So those who were complaining about the animation, this may satisfy them a little bit. I don't know. I had to read the comments to see the reaction. But yeah, I enjoyed this episode a lot, guys. I can't wait for the next. How many episodes are left? 3 episodes, I think so. The total episodes are going to be 14. So 3 more episodes. We are entering the last stretch. So this is going to be great to see. I don't know how many goals they are going to score by the end of this match. Hopefully Isagi will score. Most probably Isagi will score. He is going to unlock the flow, and I hope so. It's going to be as epic as Shido's unlocking of the flow. So yeah, and Rio, not only Rio, even Rin has to unlock his flow yet, right? He has not unlocked it, so it's going to be great. Man, I'm happy. I'm reacting this anime, and as you can see, I'm enjoying this anime a lot. I enjoyed this episode a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did. I hope you guys enjoyed my reaction to this episode, and if you did, please like, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell so that you'll get notified when my other reaction videos drop. And also do comment below in the comment section your thoughts on this episode, your thoughts on my reaction, and if you have any tips or suggestions for me, please comment down below. I read all the comments, I reply to each and one of them. So please guys, please interact with this video, help me out. It's free to do, so I hope you guys do it. And with that being said, I also like to thank all of those who have always been doing that, who have always been liking the video, sharing those videos with their friends and family, subscribing, pushing the notification bell, and most importantly, coming back to the reactions each and every week. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next episode's reaction.